escaping.
There's a cow. Here comes another cow. No, I think it's the same cow. Sorry, have a moment.
Don't fart.
Aim fire.
Where do you aim? That was my mouth, by the way. Besides, girls don't fart, they tweet. And why are we talking about this?
Teddy bear loves you.
Oh god. Oh, that's what I say to that. Kick
Tied
you in
to the
the...
desk when the mosquito comes.
Yeah, ass up.
It's like, boom.
Yeah, I know. It's like there's crack under the desk. I better go head first.
It's
Yeah. Yep. We will be back in a second to give you more interesting and